Hello folks, this is continuation of my learning Angular series. In my previous video, we learned how to add the components and how to add the HTML and things like that. And before that, we also learned how to install Angular and Node.js. And also, I explain how what these files are and how we can add our code and what components or what files we mainly use as a developer. And also we looked at other files as well. So in this video I'm going to talk about and we are going to learn how to use the basic the HTML CSS. Where do I add my HTML and where do I add CSS? How do I create a small the image? And also we will learn how do I put my image in an asset, because you cannot access image from your Angular to directly your local drive. You need to move that file into the asset directory so that you can access. Let's get started. So let me show you what we have currently. This is what it's running now. I'm going to delete entire code here. Deleted. Let's see what's there. Okay, you have nothing here. Let's go back and delete just all the components. Okay, so now let me add simple source, image. um, okay, it looks very simple. Let's say add source, and here you cannot directly refer your local image. When I say local image, local directory image, Angular always wanted you to copy those resource under the asset file. Let's say I need to show the image in the image tag. I need to have that file in the directory, I mean in the path. So let's move a file. So I just moved a file to the directory. um, let's say this is this header crop image. It is very simple. You can how to move the file. You just go to wherever file you have, and let me just download a few image. Let's say just go here and just put here, or you can directly go to the directory and copy the file. Very simple. Okay, I the same way I just copy the file and from the downloads and move into directory. Now the directory it's sitting under the asset. Look at that. So I have image name. So how do I add image? Let's say just put front slash. It shows the directory. It under assets. You can just click that. So now you save the file. You will not see anything in the page because it's not able to access the image. So in Angular, you need to instead source, you need to use the current directory structure. Let me save that. Go back. Wow, so you got an image here. Now you just create a simple HTML image, and you also added the image to assets. Now let's see how we can add a style for image. I don't want the image the whole website. I just want to apply some style in my image. So all the styles CSS goes to CSS directory. Let's say I can let me create a I hope you know how to create a CSS a content. If not, please go back to my previous videos and learn how to create a CSS in the previous HTML lessons. Okay, let me add image CLS and open and close. Now you created the image class, and let me add okay height. Maybe you can have um 500 pixel, and width maybe 500 pixel. Okay, so let me save that. Go back. Still you don't get see anything. The same image occurs because you haven't associated this image, I mean image class to your image. Let me go to image tag. As usual, class. What's the class you're going to refer? Just type here, save. Look at that. So now you applied some style. So the image is the 500 and 500. Let me go back. Let me increase the width to maybe 800, not 8000, sorry. Let me see. Okay, so now you see the image. So this is where you need to add the image or any asset in Angular and refer that here. You can just directly copy and type here, or you can use this tool. Actually recommends the or provide all the files available. That's why I wanted you guys to install this editor. This is really useful editor. And let me go again add, um, maybe I can add one more, let's say header. Hello, this is my image. Let me use div. That makes sense. Let me say, so you get my image. Let's apply same style. How we can apply, let's say create a div cls. Let's say height is probably 20 pixel, and width is around same 800 pixel. And let me also add background color of let me choose nice color. I don't know, probably this color. Okay, so let me save. Okay, let me save, and let me add associate. Go back here. Now same thing, you need to add a class so that you can associate style with your tag class, and this is style name. Let me save. Look at that. So you got a nice, it looks like a small header, right? So there's a small header and you got some message. So this way you can write the HTML here and CSS, and this is regular HTML CSS, nothing different. And my next videos will also learn how to use TypeScript. So this TypeScript file is a very powerful, where you can write your own code and manipulate on so, so whatever you want to do from, you can also do from here, because this CSS and HTML is a front-end design, and this basically the TS work as a backend. It supplies the data and bring the data. It connects to backend and some other place, like you can call any other API and pull the data. All the logics sits here. So in my next video, we'll learn how to use this TypeScript, how to define a variable, how to create our small components based on this, and also we'll learn how to use this if condition, else condition. That's more interesting because there are many things which you need to write in JavaScript reduced in TypeScript, which means that you can just one, two, or small, just a, you can use the command and use it directly in the HTML to manipulate any tag. You don't need to write like a very lengthy JavaScript to do it. You can just simply write a simple code that actually you can use it in HTML, and you can, for example, I can just define a if condition in HTML and get the variable, and you can just simply turn on, turn off. So we will go in more detail in my next video, but this video just give high level overview how you can use the HTML and asset and CSS. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you for your support. Bye bye.